Hello! Welcome to Smart English Official, how to change your life, one small step at a time.
What if I told you that just one small decision today could completely change your life 1 year from now? Not a big decision, not a perfect plan, just one small step. Stay with us, because today we're going to talk about exactly that.
Welcome back to Smart English Official, the podcast where you learn real English and grow as a person at the same time. I'm Lima.
And I'm James, and we are so happy you are here today. Seriously, if you are watching or listening to this right now, you are already doing something great for yourself.
That's so true, James. Just showing up is already a win. So, James, how are you feeling today?
Honestly, I feel really good. I was thinking about something this morning. I was making coffee, and I remembered something from 2 years ago.
Oh? What happened?
I was stuck, like really stuck. Same job, same problems, same bad habits. Every morning I said, today will be different, but nothing changed. Does that sound familiar to anyone?
Oh, yes. I think so many people feel exactly like that.
And then one day, I made one small change, just one, and everything started to slowly get better.
And that is exactly what we are talking about today. How to change your life. Not with big, scary steps, but with small, simple actions.
And the best part? You can start today, right now, after this episode.
Before we jump in, we want to remind you, if you are learning English, this podcast is perfect for you. We use simple words, short sentences, and we talk about real, useful topics.
So whether you are a beginner or someone who just wants to improve their English, you are in the right place.
Okay, are you ready? Let's go. Why do people feel stuck? James, let me ask you something. Why do you think so many people feel stuck in life?
That's a big question. I think the number one reason is fear.
Fear?
Yes, fear of trying, fear of failing, fear of what other people will think. People ask themselves, what if I try and it doesn't work? But they never ask, what if I try and it does work?
Wow, that really hits different, doesn't it? We always think about the bad thing that might happen, but not the good thing that could happen.
Exactly. And there's another reason people feel stuck. They wait.
Wait for what?
Wait for the perfect time. I'll start on Monday. I'll start next month. I'll start when I feel ready. But James, that day never comes.
You're talking to yourself now.
I am, because I used to be that person, and I think many of our listeners know this feeling too.
So let's say it clearly. There is no perfect time. The best time to start is right now, even if you are not ready, even if you are scared.
And even if your English is not perfect, that is okay too. Just start.
The power of one small step. Okay, James, so we know why people feel stuck. Now, how do we actually start to change?
Great question. And the answer is simple. One small step.
Just one?
Just one. Think about it this way. If you want to climb a big mountain, you don't jump to the top. You take one step, then another, and slowly you get higher.
I love that picture. So it's not about doing everything at once, it's about doing one thing consistently.
Yes, consistency is the key word here. Doing a little bit every day is much more powerful than doing a lot one time.
Like learning English. You don't become fluent in one day, but if you listen to English every day, watch English videos every day, practice speaking every day, after 6 months, after 1 year, you will be amazed at how much you've improved.
Exactly. And this idea works for everything in life. Want to get healthier? Walk for 10 minutes every day. Want to save money? Save just a little bit every week. Want to be more positive? Write down one good thing every morning.
These sound so small, but they really add up.
They really do. There's a popular idea called the 1% rule. If you get just 1% better every day, by the end of the year, you are 37 times better than when you started.
37 times? That is incredible.
It sounds crazy, but the math is real. Small steps every day add up to something huge.
So if you're listening right now and you feel like your life isn't moving, ask yourself, what is one small thing I can do today? Just one. Change your thinking, change your life.
James, can I ask you something personal?
Of course, what is it?
When you were learning English, did you ever tell yourself, I can't do this?
Oh my goodness, yes, so many times. I remember looking at a page of English words and thinking, this is impossible. I will never understand this.
And what happened?
Well, I kept going. Slowly, day by day, the words started to make sense. The sentences became easier. And one day, I realized I was doing it.
That story is so important because the way we think about ourselves matters so much.
Yes, there are two kinds of thinking. The first one is called a fixed mindset. This means you think things cannot change. I'm not smart. I'm not good at English. I'm just like this.
And the second one is called a growth mindset. This means you believe you can improve. I'm not good at English yet. I can get better with practice. I am learning.
Did you hear that word? Yet. It's such a small word, but it changes everything.
I can't do this versus I can't do this yet. The second sentence leaves a door open, a door to growth, a door to change.
And here's something really interesting about the brain. Your brain believes what you tell it. If you keep saying, I'm bad at English, your brain agrees. It stops trying.
But if you say, I'm getting better every day, your brain starts to look for proof. It notices every small improvement, and slowly, you start to believe it.
So starting today, let's change the way we talk to ourselves. Say, I am learning. I am growing. I am getting better.
Say it every morning. Even if you don't believe it yet, say it anyway. Because one day, you will.
Your environment shapes you. James, let's talk about something that people don't think about enough.
What's that?
Your environment. The people around you. The things you watch. The things you listen to.
Oh, this is so important. There's a saying in English, you become like the people you spend time with.
If your friends always complain, always say negative things, always tell you you can't do it, that energy gets into you.
It's like breathing bad air. You don't always notice it, but over time, it affects you.
But if you are around people who are positive, who are working hard, who support you, that also gets into you, in a good way.
And it's not just people, it's also what you watch, what you listen to, even what you read.
That's why podcasts like this one are so good.
Yes, exactly. When you fill your mind with positive, useful content, your thinking starts to change, your habits start to change, and slowly, your life starts to change.
So here is a challenge for our listeners. Think about the 5 people you spend the most time with. Are they helping you grow, or are they pulling you down?
And think about what you watch every day. Is it helping you, or is it wasting your time?
You don't have to make big changes overnight, but maybe you can add one positive thing to your day. One podcast, one good book, one helpful friend.
Small changes in your environment can make a huge difference in your life.
Take action. Don't wait to be ready.
I want to go back to something we talked about earlier.
Sure. What is it?
Waiting. So many people wait and wait and wait for the perfect moment. But here's the truth. Confidence doesn't come before action. Confidence comes after action.
Say that again, James. That was really good.
Confidence doesn't come before action. It comes after.
So you don't wait until you feel confident to start. You start, and then the confidence grows.
Exactly. Think about riding a bike. You're not confident before you get on. You're scared, right? But once you get on and start pedaling, even if you fall a few times, slowly you get better and the confidence comes.
I love that example. And it's the same with speaking English. Many people say, I'm not ready to speak English yet. But you will never be ready until you start speaking.
Make mistakes. It's okay. Every mistake is a lesson. Every mistake means you are trying, and trying means you are growing.
So here is our challenge for you today. Think of one thing you have been putting off. Maybe it's speaking English with someone. Maybe it's starting a new habit. Maybe it's making a small change in your life.
And today, not tomorrow, not next week, today, take just one small step toward that thing.
You don't need a perfect plan. You just need to start. Vocabulary Corner with Lima.
Okay, now it's time for one of our favorite parts of the show.
Vocabulary Corner. Every episode, we look at some words from today's topic. Simple words, useful words, words you can use in real life.
Take it away, Lima.
Okay, English learners, let's look at 5 words from today's episode. Ready? Word number 1, stuck. Stuck means you cannot move or you cannot change. Example, I feel stuck in my job. Nothing is changing. Easy, right? Word number 2, consistent. Consistent means you do something regularly, every day or every week. Example, she is consistent. She practices English every single day. Word number 3, confidence. Confidence means you believe in yourself. Example, he has confidence. He speaks English without fear. And word number 4, environment. Environment means the place and people around you. Example, my environment is positive. My friends always help me grow. And word number 5, growth. Growth means getting better or improving over time. Example, I can see my growth. My English is much better now. These 5 words, stuck, consistent, confidence, environment, growth. Use them today. Try to make your own sentence. Write it in the comments below. We would love to read them. Okay, back to you, James.
Thank you, Lima. Those were really great words. Okay, everyone, we're getting close to the end of today's episode. But before we go, let's quickly review what we talked about today.
Number 1, many people feel stuck because of fear and waiting, but the perfect time will never come. Start now.
Number 2, small steps every day are more powerful than one big step. Just 1% better every day adds up to something huge.
Number 3, change your thinking. Say, I can't do this yet. Keep the door open.
Number 4, your environment matters. Surround yourself with positive people and good content.
And number 5, don't wait to feel ready. Take action first. Confidence will follow.
You know what I love most about today's episode?
What?
Everything we talked about today. It's simple. It's not complicated. You don't need money. You don't need special skills. You just need to start.
And you already have everything you need. Right here, right now.
So, our friends, what is your one small step today? Tell us in the comments. We read every single one.
And if this episode helped you, please share it with a friend who is learning English or a friend who needs a little push today.
Don't forget to subscribe to Smart English Official. New episodes every week. Simple English, real topics, real growth.
Thank you so much for being here today. You make this show worth making. We will see you in the next episode.
Keep learning, keep growing, and remember,
One small step today changes everything tomorrow.
See you next time on Smart English Official. Bye-bye.